We are very, very low right now. We are in a bear market, therefore have awesome buy opportunities. A lot of people like to say this is good sell opportunity because they're idiots. Everybody likes to buy high, sell low, but we on Madsen Crypto know that we are buying low and selling high. So if you guys want to buy low, this is not a bad opportunity right here. We might see some a little bit lower. We might see down to 166, which I wouldn't be surprised with. Hello everybody and welcome back to Madsen Crypto, the only channel that is not trying to sell you literally anything. Matter of fact, we're doing a giveaway for $100 USD, so if you guys want to be involved in that, let me know that down below. All you gotta do is put a comment down below and be a subscriber and instantly put into the giveaway, and you'll have a chance at that $100. So without further ado guys, we are going to be looking at Quant today. It's going to be a really quick market update regarding the Bitcoin crash. As well, we're going to be doing a technical analysis on Bitcoin, price prediction on Bitcoin, price prediction on Quant. You know how it is. So we're going to get into that right now. Before we do, I have to let you guys know I'm not a financial advisor of any kind. Take everything I say with a grain of salt. Let's get it. All right, guys. So we just had our Bitcoin crash. As you guys know, I have been calling this out for a long time. So this is nothing new. We shouldn't be surprised. We actually came down and perfectly tested this wedge. My last video, my VeChain video that I just made, video before this, we just drew out this dotted line, which basically just touches the tops of the wicks of our overall wedge. I can get some of this other garbage out of the way here for now. But basically this dotted line wedge right here, this is what we are looking at. It's touching basically the very tops of the wicks, and we have perfectly tested off of it. Now, in saying that, we still have our other solid wick, our other solid wedge that we are looking to come down and test, and even our macro wedge that we still have yet to test. And I still have reason to believe that we're still going to drop a little bit more, and I would say we're probably going to drop from here maybe another 5%. That would not surprise me at all, and it's looking like it's going to happen. So if we go take a look at our combined order book for Bitcoin, we can see clearly that there's this price wall right at 42,000, like to the dollar. Of course, everybody likes those nice round numbers, so everybody's got their longs limit orders at that 42,000 mark. This is really important because that means there's lots and lots of money being put in Bitcoin at that level, and the market wants to rob these people. The market wants to liquidate all their stop losses and basically wants to take all their money. That's just how it is. That's how the market works. So going back to Bitcoin here, we can clearly see that we are going to be breaking that $42,000 mark, which is right at the bottom of our wick, basically just a touch below around there. And we are definitely looking to break that level. And in breaking that level, it means we are going to possibly go a little bit below our macro wedge, which wouldn't surprise me. We're probably going to come down and test our wedge that we've had drawn out for a long time, guys, and wick down and then come back and close above our macro wedge. That is kind of what we're looking at. And hopefully from there, we'll see that wick down. Sorry for my terrible drawing skills. We're going to wick down, probably come retest that macro wedge, and then we'll see the upside after that. But the market needs to rob these people, guys. That's what it's designed to do. Like, not everybody can win. Of course, you guys at Madsen Crypto are going to be winners. So take a look at this, guys. This is really big news for Bitcoin. You're at the verge of a very big price jump. And yeah, this is very important. So how does this relate to Quant? Well, we're going to go take a look at Quant right now. So in the Quant chart, we can see our Fibonacci levels are being respected and tested. We have just tested the 236 and are being rejected off of it. With that incoming Bitcoin drop that we are predicting, we're probably going to see another drop in the Quant chart. And we have this nice little wedge drawn out that we've had here for a while. And we're probably going to drop down right to this level here. And if it happens today, it'll be perfect. We can wick down. If it doesn't happen today, we can see something like this, a wick down to a wedge, and then a close above, which would be lovely. That would be awesome. If we do start to see down below and we start closing, this is obviously going to turn into resistance, and then we'll have to make another video to update you on what is going to happen if that happens, guys. So keep that in mind. Come back here if we do drop below that wedge. I encourage you to draw these wedges yourself, draw these Fibonacci's on your chart yourself, so you guys can keep up with the charts and not need to see my videos every single day, even though I'd love you to. So basically, yes, we are going to be seeing another little bit of a drop if Bitcoin decides to drop down to the levels that we think it is. If for whatever reason we did reach the bottom already on Bitcoin and, this isn't the bottom, then we can definitely expect to take off from here, because this is a pretty sturdy support. Obviously down here at the $158 mark is where I'm expecting. That's another 5.72% drop from where we currently are. and then we can expect to come back up to our fib level, which if you guys were to long, which I'm going to long, I have my long position set there. Maybe even a more of a speculative long down here, just in case it does dip a little bit further, which, like I said, guys, the market likes to liquidate you, so it's always not a bad idea. But we could be looking at 15% gains, and that is unleveraged, that is spot trading 15%, so take that as you will. So yeah, guys, there's not a lot going on in the quant universe right now. There's not a lot of news that I can update you on. I wish there was more I could talk about with quant, but currently there's just not a lot going on other than these crazy market fluctuations. Like Bitcoin's going crazy, and you guys know, if you've been following the quant charts, that even on the daily we have crazy volatility with quant especially. So yeah, we're seeing a lot of stuff happening on the price action for quant if you are an investor in quant. If you're here just because you're curious and you want some fundamental analysis on quant, there's not a lot going on, but I will be updating you on every really important news happening that happens. So anything that's happening in the news for quant, I will be updating you guys on. So if you like that, make sure to subscribe, make sure to throw a comment down below, and you will instantly be entered into that giveaway. And that would be awesome because you can win $100. If you like this content, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.